Kenya Commercial Bank has posted an after-tax profit of 19.62 billion shillings in its 2015 full-year results, attributed to growth in profits and prudent cost containment. KCB recorded a rise in net interest income and investments in ICT and plans to, in the near future, extend its regional footprint in Ethiopia and Mozambique. KTN's Abiagina reports.
Kenya's largest bank by assets, KCB Group, yet again defied odds to post a 16% jump in its net profit for the period ending December 2015.
19% growth at the top end, interest income, which shows the underlying performance of the bank is still robust. We're still writing good assets which are delivering good returns to us.
The lender posted a 12.8% growth in its international business, up from 8.3% in the previous period, lifting the bank's earnings from its struggling diaspora business.
So I do believe that
what stood out explicitly in the lender's books of accounts was the sharp rise in mobile banking. KCB's partnership with mobile phone service provider Safaricom under the KCB M-Pesa line of products has grown subscription on that platform to over 1.5 million users.
we're deploying a new core banking system this year. It will be ready in June. So I mean, building ourselves for 30 million customers. So we are already preparing ourselves.
KCB's loan book grew by 22% from 284 billion shillings to 346 billion shillings, with assets growing by 14% to close at 558 billion shillings from 490 billion shillings, giving the bank the financial muscle to disclose that it will be setting up in Ethiopia.
We set up in Ethiopia. There's a lot of excitement about Ethiopia. What I always encourage is get a chance to visit.
But despite the impressive numbers, the bank's subsidiaries did not grow as expected. The devaluation of the South Sudan pound, as well as the political instability in Burundi, had major impacts on earnings for the bank.
So when you look at the accounts in local currency, they are fine, they've grown. But when you translate that into the Kenya shilling, we are getting a smaller value compared to what we're getting.
The financial services sector remains quite resilient, with a number of key trends being witnessed in the sector. The sector has been growing on average about 10% per annum, and analysts continue to hold that the sector will be one worth looking out for in 2016. Abiagina, KTN News in Nairobi.